Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is Lowcarblish. If you're new here, this is the channel where we take our favorite high carb foods and make low carb versions of them to help control our type 2 diabetes. And today we are doing something that we don't have to convert. We're going to have a green power bowl today. And I love power bowls, and most of the time I eat them with a bunch of different colors, but every once in a while I'll do a green power bowl, and I love the way it makes me feel. Gives me a lot of energy. It's very satisfying, and I just really like them. And it dawned on me the other day, I've never shared this with anybody. So we're going to do that today, and these are so fast and easy to make, and like I said, they're super filling. So if you like green veggies, I think you're going to love this bowl. So don't worry about the amounts because I'll have that down below. But what we're going to put in this bowl today is fresh leaf baby spinach. We've got celery, cucumbers, 2 mini dill pickles, avocado, green bell peppers. I've got 3 broccoli florets that I've blanched and cut up into smaller pieces, 2 green olives, and I'm using Primal Kitchen vinaigrette. I just like that, but you of course are free to put whatever dressing on your salad you like. And then I'm having protein with mine today. I've got some salmon that I had left over that I'm gonna put in my bowl today. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to put together and how pretty it is when it's put together, and then we'll be enjoying a green power bowl. So what I do is I start off with the baby spinach, and this is about a cup of baby spinach. You can use more or less to your liking, but this is the amount I like to use. And then I put my celery on second because it's one of the larger portions of the veggies that I use. Celery is so good for our digestion and for blood pressure and all of the things. And then I put my cucumber on. You can peel or not peel your cucumber. It all depends on what you like to do. I personally, most of the time, peel mine. Not all the time, but most of the time. Then we've got green bell pepper here that we're going to put in. And I've got, like I said, 3 broccoli florets that I blanched. And you don't have to blanch it, but a lot of people can't digest raw broccoli. So I blanch it not only for that, but also because it's just prettier when you blanch it. And then I've got 1/3 of an avocado chopped up here that we're going to put in. And then we're going to do our 2 olives on top. I love olives, you guys. Black ones, green ones. The only ones I don't like are the ones that are stuffed with hot things. And then I like the mini dills, so I always put those on the side here. And then this is, like I said, the Primal Kitchen. I'm going to stir this up a little bit because Miss Jenny, I forgot to tell y'all, Jenny's back.
Hi guys, I missed everybody.
She's back. She's being camera shy. So that's okay. We'll let her be camera shy if she needs to be. But I'm just stirring this up again because it is a vinaigrette, or it's balsamic vinaigrette, I think is what it's called. And just pour that over. And this is just 2 tablespoons of the dressing. And like I said, you use whatever dressing floats your boat. And then I like a little pepper on my salad, so I always do a little grinded pepper over it. I don't do salt, but if you like salt, you do you, boo-boo. And then we're going to take my protein that I'm putting with it today is my salmon. And I just lay that over top of it. And then as I'm eating it, I'll break it up as we go and enjoy that. And that, guys, is a super simple green power bowl that if you eat this, you're going to be energized for the day. And it is just a really fresh, healthy thing for us to eat. And I enjoy it, so I hope you guys will too. So thank you for coming and hanging out with us today. We miss you guys. We love you guys more than you know. And we appreciate all of your love and support. So hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Share with all your friends. And if you don't want to do all that stuff, just come back anyway because we love you anyway. So you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.